Beautiful cake decorating ideas like a pro. Discover expert tips and creative cake decorating ideas to transform your cakes into stunning masterpieces like a pro. Learn valuable insights and techniques to elevate your cake decorating skills and amaze your guests. Introduction. Are you ready to take your cake decorating skills to the next level? Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, this comprehensive guide is here to help you create beautiful cakes like a pro. In this article, we'll delve into various innovative cake decorating ideas, techniques, and tips that will inspire your creativity and leave a lasting impression on your guests. From elegant wedding cakes to whimsical birthday cakes, we've got you covered with expert advice and personal experiences. Beautiful cake decorating ideas like a pro. Let's dive into the exciting world of cake decorating with ideas that will turn your cakes into works of art. Get ready to amaze your loved ones with these stunning designs. 1. Buttercream Flower Cascade. Create a picturesque cake by adorning it with a cascading bouquet of buttercream flowers. The soft and delicate appearance of buttercream flowers adds an elegant touch to any cake. From roses and peonies to daisies and tulips, the possibilities are endless. Use a variety of piping tips to achieve different petal shapes and colors, making your cake a blooming masterpiece. 2. Geometric patterns and shapes. Give your cake a contemporary and artistic flair by incorporating geometric patterns and shapes. Use fondant or edible paper to create sharp lines, triangles, or hexagons. The clean and modern design will leave a lasting impression on your guests, and they'll be amazed by your attention to detail. 3. Watercolor effect. Bring the beauty of watercolors to your cake by using food coloring and a watercolor painting technique. Gradually blend different shades to achieve a dreamy and ethereal look. The watercolor effect works wonderfully on wedding cakes and other elegant occasions, adding a touch of sophistication. 4. Edible gold and silver accents. Elevate your cake's elegance by adding edible gold and silver accents. Whether it's delicate gold leaf detailing or shimmering silver beads, these luxurious touches will make your cake stand out and create a sense of opulence. 5. Ombre layers. Impress your guests with an ombre cake featuring a gradual blend of colors from light to dark. Choose colors that complement your event's theme and stack the cake layers to create a mesmerizing visual effect. 6. Textured finish. Create a unique and eye-catching cake by applying a textured finish. Use tools like combs, brushes, or even the back of a spoon to achieve a rustic or contemporary texture. This style is perfect for themed parties and outdoor gatherings. 7. Ruffle cake. Add a touch of romance to your cake by incorporating ruffles. Use fondant or buttercream to create delicate ruffle layers that resemble fabric draping. This design is perfect for bridal showers and romantic celebrations. Mirror glaze. Achieve a glossy and mirror-like finish on your cake with a stunning mirror glaze. This technique involves pouring a smooth and shiny glaze over the cake, creating a mesmerizing effect that reflects light beautifully. 9. Floral wreath. Create a charming and inviting cake by crafting a floral wreath to adorn the top. Arrange edible flowers, leaves, and berries in a circular pattern, giving your cake a whimsical and natural touch. 10. Cake topper extravaganza. Enhance your cake's appearance with an eye-catching cake topper. Personalize it according to the event, whether it's a monogram, a favorite quote, or a fondant figurine. The topper will be the focal point of your cake and add a personal touch to your masterpiece. 11. Hand-painted designs. Show off your artistic skills by hand-painting intricate designs on your cake. From delicate landscapes to intricate patterns, the hand-painted approach allows you to express your creativity and create a one-of-a-kind cake. 12. Floral cascade. Create a stunning effect by arranging an elegant cascade of fresh or edible flowers flowing down the sides of your cake. The floral cascade adds a touch of nature's beauty to your creation, making it perfect for garden-themed parties and weddings. 13. Naked cake. Embrace simplicity and charm with a naked cake. This minimalist style showcases the cake's layers and fillings, providing a rustic and organic appeal. Decorate the top with fresh fruits and edible flowers to complete the look. 14. Whimsical characters. Make your cake a delightful centerpiece by adding whimsical characters or figurines. Whether it's a fairytale castle, cute animals, or cartoon characters, these playful additions will captivate both kids and adults alike. 15. Luscious drip effect. Create a delectable drip effect on your cake by drizzling ganache or colorful icing down the sides. The drip effect adds a touch of indulgence and complements various cake styles, from elegant to fun and funky. 16. Marbling magic. Achieve an enchanting marbled effect by blending different colored fondants or icing together. The marbling technique creates a mesmerizing and sophisticated pattern that will impress your guests. 17. Rainbow layers. Surprise and delight your guests with a rainbow cake featuring layers of vibrant colors. Each slice will reveal a rainbow surprise, adding a burst of joy to any celebration. 18. Cake stenciling. Add intricate designs and patterns to your cake using stencils. Use edible dust or cocoa powder to stencil elegant motifs, monograms, or abstract patterns, elevating your cake's visual appeal. 19. Whipped cream masterpiece. Craft an airy and dreamy cake using whipped cream as your canvas. Create smooth, textured, or even floral patterns with whipped cream, showcasing your talent and artistic flair. 20. Floral crown. Enhance your cake's beauty by placing a delicate floral crown on top. Use small edible flowers to form a wreath, symbolizing love and celebration. 21. Metallic accents. Add a touch of glamour to your cake with metallic accents. Use edible metallic dust or paints to highlight specific details, creating a luxurious and extravagant effect. 22. Embossed patterns. Emboss your cake with intricate patterns or designs to give it a regal and luxurious appearance. The embossed effect adds depth and texture to your cake, making it a visual delight. 23. Gravity-defying design. Challenge your cake decorating skills by creating a gravity-defying design. Use supports and hidden structures to create the illusion of floating elements, leaving your guests amazed and wondering how it's possible. 24. Edible lace. Elegantly decorate your cake with edible lace patterns. These delicate and intricate designs will add a touch of romance and sophistication to any occasion. 25. Petal ruffles. Craft petal ruffles around the sides of your cake to create a dramatic and stunning effect. The petal ruffles add volume and texture, transforming your cake into a captivating centerpiece. FAQs. Question: how can I make a cake with a smooth buttercream finish? To achieve a smooth buttercream finish, start by applying a thin layer of buttercream called a crumb coat. Chill the cake in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes to set the crumb coat. Then, apply a thicker layer of buttercream and use a bench scraper or offset spatula to smooth the sides and top of the cake. Repeat the smoothing process until you achieve the desired finish. Question: what's the best way to prevent fondant from cracking? To prevent fondant from cracking, make sure the cake surface is smooth and free from any rough edges. Knead the fondant well to make it more pliable and roll it out to an even thickness. Avoid overstretching the fondant when covering the cake, as this can cause cracks. If cracks do appear, gently smooth them out with your fingers or a fondant smoother. Question: can I use fresh flowers to decorate my cake? Yes, you can use fresh flowers to decorate your cake, but make sure they are safe for consumption and pesticide-free. Place a piece of parchment paper or a food-safe barrier between the flowers and the cake to prevent direct contact. Alternatively, use edible flowers specifically grown for cake decorating. Question: how do I store a decorated cake? Store a decorated cake in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. If the cake has perishable fillings or frosting, it should be refrigerated. Before refrigerating, cover the cake with a cake dome or place it in a cake box to protect it from absorbing any odors from the refrigerator. Question: can I freeze a decorated cake? Yes, you can freeze a decorated cake. First, ensure the cake is fully cooled and that any frosting or decorations have set. Wrap the cake tightly in plastic wrap and then in aluminum foil to prevent freezer burn. Thaw the cake in the refrigerator before serving. Question: how can I make my cake more stable for outdoor events? To make your cake more stable for outdoor events, use a dense cake recipe that can hold its shape well. Avoid using whipped cream or delicate fillings that may melt in warm weather. Support the cake with sturdy cake boards and dowels to prevent any tilting or collapsing during transportation. Conclusion: there you have it, beautiful cake decorating ideas to elevate your baking skills and impress your guests like a pro. Whether you're planning a wedding, birthday party, or a simple gathering, these creative cake designs will surely steal the spotlight. Remember to experiment, unleash your creativity, and enjoy the process of creating stunning cake masterpieces. Happy decorating!